Is porn cheating? What about emotional connections or secret DMs or maybe even fantasies that you never act on? I'm Dr. Trish Leigh, cognitive neuroscientist, and this question comes up in my work every single day. What constitutes cheating? In this video, I want you to understand what cheating is, and then of course, action steps that you can use immediately if you find yourself in this situation. Let's get clear. Cheating isn't just about sex. Yes, there's physical cheating that includes kissing, touching, being with another person. But there's also emotional cheating. Now, this can be building connection with another person, sharing secrets, hiding a relationship from your partner. So when that happens, the trust in a relationship is broken down. They have crossed a line. Let's think of it like this. When it comes to cheating, it's like your partner passed the ball to the other team without ever telling you he was going to do it. What matters is teammates have an agreement about what the rules are, and one person violated that agreement. Trust works the same way. Here's the neuroscience behind it. When trust is broken, the limbic system in your brain to detect danger to protect you, it goes on overdrive. It's scanning for all the threats in your environment within your relationship because your teammate broke down the trust. At the same time, your prefrontal cortex, which is used for thinking, self-reflection, self-regulation, it goes on underdrive. This is why betrayal trauma hurts on a physical level. This isn't just in your mind, it's in your brain's chemistry and wiring. Let's talk about porn. For many couples, secret porn use registers on the betrayed partner's brain, just like a physical or significant emotional trauma would. If there's hiding, justification, defensiveness, manipulation, lying, things really get complex when that enters into the relationship. In my work with men struggling with porn addiction, I see this ripple effect every single day. So men come to me not only because they want to quit, because they feel this dopamine dependency and they don't want to be involved in it anymore, but they see the impact on their partner. They feel intimacy breaking down. They feel disconnection. Neuroscience confirms this. Many studies show that when porn use is in the mix, satisfaction in the relationship tanks. So does porn use count as cheating? It does if there's a problem in your relationship around it. Whether you're in the aftermath of finding out that your partner has a secret porn use compulsion, let's start with these 3 questions and activities to get you rolling. Number 1, what actions and or behaviors register as betrayal for you? So go through everything that you can think of that would be considered betrayal, whether that be messaging another person, consuming pornography, liking images on social media. Write it all down. Once you both have your lists, come together and share the findings with each other. Try to stay out of judgment and listen to what would make your partner feel betrayed. Number 2, after you've talked about betrayals, now let's talk about what would real cheating be considered for you and your partner. Count real world experiences with other people and digital experiences that would register as cheating for you. Maybe it's emailing a coworker private information and building that emotional connection. Betrayal and cheating are very similar, but not always the same. Once you have your lists, share it with each other. Number 3, now that you've started to talk about this, it can't fall off your radar or your partner's radar. So to make sure you see this through, schedule weekly check-ins with your partner where you continue the conversation. Once two partners agree on what would be considered cheating, what would lead to betrayal, and how you're going to keep talking about it, things become so much less confusing. Cheating isn't just about your body, but it's very much about your brain, about your emotions and your emotional connection, and about trust. So if you are struggling with betrayal trauma, you may need more support on this journey. Please reach out to me, drtrishleigh.com. There's a tab up in the right-hand corner for partners. Click that tab. It's designed to help you understand what's necessary to navigate this journey, and then of course to have the tools and the support to be able to do it successfully. Let me know, what is cheating for you? What would be the lowest level that would be considered cheating? And what boundary are you going to lay there and hold there? Please consider subscribing. I'm here to help. Also, click on the video that's coming on the screen now. We can dive deeper into the neuroscience tools to help you move through the journey. You deserve clarity. Here we grow again, my friend.